Good morning, everybody. How are you today? This is Nana, and I'm out on the farm this morning. And I don't know if you can hear the train in the background or see the wonderful greenery behind me over there. And what I'm out here doing this morning is getting our recipes prepared for filming. We're going to be doing some cooking demos tomorrow. And I just wanted to come on and share and let everybody know that we're going to be doing a zucchini dish, wonderful zucchini dish, and we're going to be using the zucchini right here from the farm, and so that's why I'm out here today. So I'll be posting later what I actually was able to find and pick out there because I brought my gloves and I brought my hat. And I'm gonna get out there in the field and I'm gonna find me some really yummy stuff for this cooking demo that we're gonna do tomorrow. The cooking demo, the recipe is actually going to be diabetes friendly. So I'm encouraging everyone to stay tuned and we'll let you know what's going on. I can't wait to share the great things that I found out here this morning and how we're going to incorporate that into our recipe that we're going to make tomorrow right here from the farm. So I'm looking forward to it. So I have to go. I have to go pick some stuff. So I will see everybody later. Bye bye.